Hey guys, it's me, just Kyla, and I'm back with another video. So, today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a matte lipstick tutorial. I don't like the way they look on me, but I'm going to show y'all how I put them on. So first, you prep your lips first with some Vaseline. Put a little bit on, not too much, just enough to moisturize your lips. And yes, I did my eyebrows. And I'm about to go to bed. Away from all though. But, okay. I don't know which one I'm going to use. And this helps, the chapstick helps from it being dry and cracked. I'm going to show y'all with the chapstick and without. So this is with the chapstick. See, it's still moisturizing. I can still rub it. So nothing's on my lips. It's already sticky. So once you put it on, you have to like quickly move it around your lips because it will dry. It's cracking. That is how it looks without the chapstick. See, it looks dry and sticky. What the world? Let me get this off. So, thank you guys for watching, and that is how I put on matte lipstick. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already.